Smell Goodness. Our sponsor for today is
Kari Nali Simos Gummies.
When I tried this product, it really tastes good. As in, it smells really delicious, like candies, and it's sweet, and yet it's healthy for you because it boosts our immune system. It's good for the heart, good for your gut, and it also promotes weight loss. Hope you guys try this one because it's really good as a supplement. Okay, our dish for today is pandan cassava cake. For our pandan cassava cake, we will be heating up 3 cups of coconut milk into a pan. This is 2 cups. 1 can is equivalent to 2 cups, so we need 1 more cup. So just pour in like half a can of this coconut milk. We will just stir this one and bring it into a boil. Okay, then we add in our 2 packs of grated cassava. Okay, now that it's boiling, we will put in our 2 packs of cassava. Then we will put this on low to medium heat. We will mix this one. So the coconut milk would go into our cassava. Then we will add 1/2 cup of water. And we will cook the cassava on low to medium heat for like 15 to 20 minutes. butter to it, like 1 bar of butter. It's just for taste. Okay. Then we'll keep on stirring it until it melts. Make sure that the bottom doesn't get burned. That's why we're stirring it continuously. After 5 minutes of mixing again, we will put in our pandan flavored condensed milk. This is to sweeten our dish and also to add color and flavor to it. You just have to mix it all well together. Drop of green food coloring. And a little bit of green food coloring. Okay, then we have to mix it all well again. Okay, we just mix it all well together for 20 to 25 minutes now. And it's cooked already. We will transfer this one into a tray. Okay, we will transfer this one over here. We just use an aluminum foil. For the toppings, we will just roast in a pan an unsweetened coconut flakes. Okay, we'll just roast this one on low to medium heat so it doesn't get burned right away. this roast until it's like golden brown. If it's already golden brown, you can turn off the heat and we will let this cool and put it on top of our pandan cassava cake. As you can see, this is golden brown already, so it's all okay. Put the toppings. Okay, here is our finished product. We will put this on the fridge for 4 hours before we can serve this. We will slice it, of course, and taste it. Okay, we were not able to taste our pandan cassava cake because the kids ate it right away when I put it on the fridge. So anyway, I was tasting it while I was cooking it and it's really delicious. Okay, if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless. Bye.